it's Kim A. Rant, your Pampered Chef consultant, and I am super excited to share with you a keto-friendly chocolate peanut butter mousse. Yes, can you believe it? And it's going to take about 30 seconds to make it using our Deluxe cooking blender. So I'm not going to cook anything today, so that's the beauty of the blender, is that you can do cold applications in it and you can also do hot applications in it, like fresh homemade soups that you put raw vegetables in. Did you hear me say raw vegetables? Yes, you throw those sweet potatoes and those onions and those whatever in here raw, and when you put it on the soup or the jam or the heated puree or the sauce, it is going to blend it and cook it simultaneously. Like, what? Okay, so today we're making the keto-friendly chocolate peanut butter mousse. So if you see that it looks a little dirty, it's because I've already made homemade peanut butter in it using our grind cycle. So I'm going to take a little bit of that, throw it back in there. There was a little left down in the bottom of the blender. The nice thing about it is once I'm done with all of this, it has a heated cycle that I'm going to put some dishwashing liquid in it, about 3 cups of water, and it will clean itself. Yes, ma'am, it will. Okay, so I've put, I may put a little bit more in there. Some peanut butter, homemade peanut butter in there. I'm going to put probably a good 2 tablespoons. This certainly is to choice because you can have it really, really chocolatey or not so much chocolatey. And 2 heaping tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. And we're going to use a keto-friendly stevia. And let's throw that in there. I'm going to, this is pretty concentrated, so I'm not going to put a ton of that in there. Okay, so cool thing about this, it has a safety feature that it will not operate unless the lid is in place. And you heard that little chime go off. So I'm going to cancel everything out. We're going to hit our custom blend. It can go anywhere from 1 all the way up to 9. I don't need it that high, so I'm going to go probably to about 4 or 5, and it'll take about 30 seconds to do this. So here we go. Seconds, and I want you guys to see the consistency. Look at that. Woo! Oh my gosh. Holy moly. Y'all, I got to go. I got to eat me some chocolate peanut butter mousse. Okay, have a great one. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.